Okay, I copied this and pasted it in desktop, notepad. Okay, these are the steps for pushing the code from local to main repository. Okay, these are the steps, and the same thing I have written here. Okay, this is the steps that we followed while doing the GitHub while giving the command prompts, right? సో ఇది నేను సేవ్ చేసి మీకు పంపిస్తాను. దీని తర్వాత పుష్ ది నేను చూపిస్తాను. ఓకేనా? సేవ్ యాజ్ GitHub. Okay, I'm sharing this. ఏంటమ్మా? Can somebody share this in Jan batch also? Let me do. That's okay. Okay. So far clear, right? I'm showing you taking another folder or modifying something in this particular folder itself. Okay, ఒక file add చేస్తాను. I'm closing this off. ఇదే URI కి I will add another folder. Okay, just wait and watch how am I doing. Okay, collections is the folder. Okay, git init already ayindi. We need not do the step git init. Initialize already ayindi folder. What I'm doing is I am creating a folder here. Okay, this is the folder I've added now. Okay, now right click, git bash here again. If you can see, it is already in main. Branch is main because we've already initialized this particular folder. Okay, so if you want to change the branch again and then after these steps are done, you can change the branch back to main. Okay, however, I'm leaving it as it is. Okay, I am not following the step which is git init because the folder is already initialized. Okay, so what I have to do is I will start with the step as git status. So what is it saying? Untracked files. There is one file that has been added recently. Nothing added to commit. Okay, use git add file to include what will be committed. Okay, so this is the file that we have recently added. Now what I will do is, this is the only file. Okay, so I'm saying it as xgf.txt. okay, this is the file name that we want the file to be added. Got added. Now I have to commit this one. Okay, so git commit m second comment. Okay, this is the comment I want to give. Now since the branch is already main, okay, what I will do is I will write it as git remote add origin, and I'm specifying the URI path. However, it will say that this has already been it will say that this has already been, this URI path is already showing in this particular thing karke, it will show because ఇది already connected on the main key. Okay, so let me see, remote origin already exists. Okay, so if you are getting this error, okay, that means that you're already cloned to your main repository. Okay, GitHub ki already cloned undi kabatti. If you want to remove this particular origin and then add it again, then you will have to write it as git remove git remote I think this should work. Yes, now again I am writing it as git remote add origin and I'm specifying the URI path, which is this. Okay, ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, this is the path. Enter. ఇప్పుడు ఏమి రాలేదు కదా error, right? Now again I can go ahead and push this particular folder, git push u origin main. It is pushing the record. There's only one insertion done. Okay, if you refresh, you got your xgftx.txt file added with the comments which we have mentioned as second comment. Okay, clear enough? Should I show it once again with by taking another folder? Okay, I'm going back to desktop. I'm taking file upload download. I'm going to GitHub, creating a new repository. Okay, now repository name file upload download. Okay, I'm creating the repository name as file upload download, keeping it as public because I want everybody to be seeing the files that we have added, and I'm creating a repository. Now observe the URI path. Did you see? File upload download is the repository name that I have given. So URI path got changed to file upload download. Okay, now these are the steps that we have followed: git init, git add, git comment, git branch, git remote, git push. Okay, when you create the repository, you will be seeing these comments, and these are the command prompts that we are using in the command prompt git bash. Okay, now I want to initialize this particular folder. How can I do that? Right click, git bash here, my command prompt opened, and it is there in this file upload download folder itself. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am, old path lo unna files చూడాలంటే
ఓల్డ్ పాత్ లో ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ చూడాలంటే ఏ ఓల్డ్ పాత్?
ఇందాక చేసాం
ఇందులోనా? గిట్ హబ్ లో అంటున్నారా?
అవునండి.
ఏమీ లేదు, ఇక్కడ యూజర్ నేమ్ ఉందా? ఈ యూజర్ నేమ్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయాలి. చెయ్యంగానే you have orange HRM12, you have file upload download. I'm working with file upload download now. This is the old URI path. So ఇక్కడ నేను క్లిక్ చేయంగానే you will see all the project details. Okay, I'm going back again. I need to see file upload download now. So I am already on this folder. Okay, so what I have to do, git init. What will happen if I say git init? It will initialize the folder. Okay, initialized. Now can you see? Can you see .git folder got created? That means it got initialized. Okay, now what is the next step? I have to check the status. I'm checking the status. So these are the files that are not been added. Okay, so I have to get it added, add space dot. So every single thing, okay, warning LF will be replaced to, okay, done. Done. So git status again to check where my files are. So these are the files that will be added. Okay. Now after this, commit and whatever comments you want to add. Okay. After this, branch, git branch m main. So I'm changing the branch from master to main. After this, git remote, add origin, and I'm specifying the URI path, which is this. Copy and right click and paste. Okay. Git push u origin main. So it will push all the commands, all the codes that are there in my particular folder. How to check? I have to go back to git bash, GitHub, refresh the folder, and you can see all the files uploaded here. Okay. So we have created 2 repositories for today, right? 2 repositories. One push, we have pushed both the files, both the folders. Okay. Now, if you have to pull this folder, if you have to pull this folder, this particular folder into your local repository, make some changes in that particular folder and push it back again, how can you do that? I will show you that. Okay. I am closing this off. Now, this is the file upload download folder. I need to pull this particular folder. Now I'm going back to desktop. I'm not doing anything here. Right click chesi git bash adi open cheyatledu. I'm just ikkada search lo git bash open chestunna. Okay. Git bash open chesi. Now it is not showing anything here. Indaka C folder users and chupichinda. Ikkada ala em chupichatledu, right? So you do not know where your present working directory is. So you will have to check the present working directory, which is pwd. C folder lo users lo user folder lo undi ippudu. Presently this is located there, right? Now if you have to create a folder, మీరు నార్మల్ గా ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అని అంటే సి డ్రైవ్ యూజర్స్ లో ఉన్నాం కదా, ఇక్కడ రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి న్యూ క్లిక్ చేసి ఫోల్డర్ అని క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, రైట్? I am not doing anything as such. I'm deleting this new folder. What I'm doing is I am saying it as make directory. MK directory ante make directory. Enter. Missing operand. Okay. Git, sorry. Git make directory.
Directory name, madam.
Right. MK directory. Git అని ఒక నేను డైరెక్టరీ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. Okay. If you see, we were in C folder users, right? C folder users, user, and I have created a folder called Git. Okay. 26/9/2022, right? E date ki nenu oka folder create chesanu. Now in this folder, okay, I have to go ahead into this particular folder, Git folder ki nenu vellali. So currently my present working directory is on users, C drive users, user, I have to go on to Git folder, right? User capital undi kada. Okay, 1 second. CD
సిడి తర్వాత స్లాష్ ఉన్నది అనుకుంటా.
CD tarvata, okay, 1 second, 1 second. Slash C drive, C is in capsa, C is in lowercase. Users, yeah. So if you see Git ki connect అయిపోయింది, right? So if you want to check the present working directory again, so okay, now I have to initialize this particular folder. I am saying it as git init. Okay, git folder got created in git folder. Okay, now I want to pull the records from my GitHub. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to go on to GitHub, click on the repository from where you want the projects to be pulled. Okay, so file upload download ani anukunnamu. File upload download మీద click చేస్తున్నా నేను. I want all these things to be pulled. Okay, so I'm taking this UI path. Okay, what I'm doing is git pull. Okay, and I'm giving the URI path. I'm just writing it as git pull and providing the URI path. It will pull all the projects that are there in this particular URI path, and it will put that particular thing into the folder. Then manual ga em cheyaleda, I've just entered a command prompt. Pull అయిపోయిందా ikkada? What I'm doing is I am going ahead and adding another thing. Okay, I've added one file. నేను ఇక్కడ ఒక file ki I am making some change here. I'm writing it again. Okay, I'm oka file ki nenu konni changes చేస్తున్నాను. Okay, save and closed. Okay, clear? Pull వరకు clear? Now what I have to do is, now that my system is in master repository, I have to change the branch. Before that, I will go ahead and check the status. I have added one file and I have modified one file. See, modified, this is the file that we have modified. This is the file that we have added. Now I want to add both the files. Okay, I want to add both the files. So what I'm doing is git add and space dot. Both the files will be added. Okay, I'm checking the status. Okay, now git commit m changes we have or modifications karke bol ke I'm writing the comment as. Okay, once this is done, I'm changing the branch from master to main. Branch got changed. Now same procedure to push. Git remote, add origin and specifying the URI path, which I already copied. Okay, sorry. Specifying the URI path. Now I am just simply pushing the code. Git push u origin main. If you see this, you have these as comments, okay? Here I have mentioned the comments as modifications, right? So I will just go ahead and refresh this button. Modifications, modifications. So these are the files that got added. Clear? These are the files that got added now. We have pulled these records. We have made some changes, and the changes, the folders, the files that got changed are been added again. Okay. If you see, these are added 10 minutes ago, and this is added 1 minute ago. That means that only these files got added into this particular thing. Clear? Any questions? Should I show push and pull once again, or only pull? Both of them. ఎన్నిసార్లు అడిగినా నువ్వు అట్లనే చెప్తావు అనుకో. ठीक है. So pushing and pulling, once again I'm showing you. Please pay attention. Okay. Main ante remote repository, your GitHub. Sorry. Remote ante GitHub. Master ante your local repository. Okay. Now I am creating a repository. Okay. I am creating a new repository. I am naming the repository name as abstractions. Okay. I'm keeping this public. Create repository. This is the URI path I'll be using. Now I'm going on to the folder that I need to be pushing the folder to, pushing the projects to. Okay. Right click, git bash here. My command prompt will open. It is already there on desktop Java abstraction folder. Okay. So git init to initialize .git folder got created. Okay. After that, git status, check the status. These are the new files that are been added. So I need to add these files. Okay. Git add space dot. Okay. Now again, check the status if you want. These are the files. Okay. That are ready to be committed. Now I'll just commit these files. Git commit m new. Okay. After this, I'm changing the branch from main master to main. Okay. The branch got changed. After this, I'm saying git remote add origin, and I'm specifying the URI path. Okay. After this, git push u origin main. Pushed. How do you see? You'll have to refresh this particular folder. You got these files pushed. Until here, clear, right? Now, after this, I am pulling these files. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm closing this off. I'm closing this particular command prompt. Okay. I need to pull these files and make a folder. Okay. On my desktop or wherever I want. Okay. So before that, I'm opening the command prompt, git bash. First thing, before I push the commands, I need to check the present working directory. So it is in C users user folder. Okay. I am making the directory and I am creating a git.demo folder. Okay. After this, I need to again change the directory from C users user to git.demo. Okay. Now I'm checking the directory again. Okay. It is showing this. After this, I'm saying git init. Okay. Git pull. Okay. I need to pull the code from this particular folder, right? This is the URI path from which I need the code to be pulled. Not Git repository or any parent directories. Okay. Initialize git pull. First, I have to initialize that particular folder, and then I am pulling the records. It pulled the records. How do you know? You have to just see the folder here. Okay. I am making some changes here. Okay. I am giving space. I am adding one of the folder. No, not folder, file, Excel. Okay. Okay. I added one file. I made some changes onto one file. Okay. Now I'm checking the status. Why working tree clean? కాదు సేవ్ అయింది .git demo లోనే ఉంది కదా అచ్చా ఓకే ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ దిస్ థింగ్ కదా C drive users user. Okay, so on this file I'm making changes. Save. I have created one Excel sheet here. Okay, now so one file got modified, one file got added. Okay, now what I'm doing is I need all the files to be added, so git.add. Okay, after this I'm checking the status again. It is on untracked unstaged stage, so I will have to commit these files. Okay, commit git branch Okay, after this, git remote add origin, and I'm specifying the path again as this. Okay, now git push again. If you see, refresh, this is the file that got modified, this is the file that got modified, and Excel kuda vachindi. Okay na? So this is how you will be doing. Now can somebody tell me push commands so that I can go ahead and write? First step, you have to pull the records from the GitHub. Okay, so first step, what you will be doing, open git bash. Okay, in command prompt, present working directory first check cheyala. ఎక్కడ మీరు ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో అది చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. సో ఇన్ కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్, ఓకే, pwd to check present working directory. Okay, after that mk directory and git folder name to make a folder. Change the directory to the folder that you have created. Okay, and then sorry, git init to initialize the folder, to initialize the folder. Okay, then git status to check the status. Git add dot to add the files. Git commit m and your comments. Okay, git branch m main to change okay. After this, git remote, first thing, దీని తర్వాత pull రావాలి కదా. And specify the URI path. Okay, init తర్వాత pull చేస్తాము, దాని తర్వాత స్టేటస్ చేస్తాము, దాని తర్వాత యాడ్ చేస్తాం, దాని తర్వాత కమిట్ కమాండ్, దెన్ బ్రాంచ్ అండ్ ఇది రిమోట్. ఓకే, 7 8 9 10 11 remote add origin git push view origin main. These are the command prompts. Okay. And I am going ahead and pasting these also. What is happening? Okay. Any doubts, clarifications, questions? Clear? Huh? No doubts? Okay, I'll share another link for the session. Okay, we'll just have few topics from Eclipse also covered today. Okay. There is only 1 minute left, so I'm sharing another link. Okay.